Finding a good electrical contractor is important because you need to keep all of the electrical systems in your home safe and functional. So when electrical problems occur in your home, or when it comes to electrical upgrade, here are 5 things that you should keep in mind before hiring an electrician. 1. Make sure they're licensed, insured, and bonded. It is your responsibility to make sure that the electrical contractor that you choose has the right license to work and insurance. You should also ask to see some references from previous clients. 2. Check out their experience and reputation. Try to ask every electrical contractor that you speak to whether or not they have completed similar projects in the past. If they have, then you could ask to see a customer testimonial so that you can see how the work panned out. 3. Know the type of service you need. What do you need to hire an electrical contractor for? Do you have a small wiring issue on your hands, new construction, or a complete renovation project? If you know what you are looking for, then getting accurate price estimates should be easy. 4. Compare the estimates from different contractors. Most electrical contractors will be able to provide you with a concrete price estimate that will not change, while others will give you a quote that could include hidden costs. If you have a complicated project on your hands, then you should expect to receive an hourly rate. 5. Pay attention to their attitude and appearance. Good communication with an electrical contractor is also important. You should be able to ask any questions that you may have, and they should give you the answers that are relatively easy to understand. Electricity plays an important role in our lives. Lost power means lost time, lost productivity, and in some cases, lost money. If you are looking for a fully insured, licensed, and experienced electrical contractor who can take on a variety of different projects, then you can contact us today to get the job done right the first time.